Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Love, nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programa nga Sakto, Klaro, Diretso at oras na para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Mga problema nga ipinadala sa ating programa para bigyan natin ng solusyon. Akala naman nila tutulong ako. Hoping sila. Charot. So eto na nga, pinadala sa atin sa ating Byahe Textline 0917-851-4329. Ito ang biyahe ng buhay ni Romeo. Hi DJ Lala, ako si Romeo. Gusto ko lang humingi ng payo. Paano ba magmahal kung di tanggap ng side mo yung girlfriend mo? Thank you po and more power to your show. Well, hi sa'yo Romeo. Alam nyo, I do get this a lot and I won't lie. Mahirap yung ganitong sitwasyon. Not only for you, but for your partner. Kasi she will stay in that relationship as long as you want her to stay. As long as nakikita niyang you are making an effort to defend her, stand by her, and reintroduce her sa side mo over and over again. Now, on her end of the relationship, kailangan niyang maging patient. May mga maririnig siyang di maganda, may experience siyang treatment na feeling niya di niya deserve, pero wala siyang karapatang mag-retaliate o magalit kasi pamilya mo sila. So, kailangan niya magtiis. But if your heart is in the right place and her intentions are pure, you guys can make it work. Basta lagay nyo lang lagi sa isip ninyo na even though hindi maganda yung relationship nyong lahat as of the moment, your family mean well. You guys just have to prove na this relationship is good for the both of you. Kayo pa din ang kailangang makisama and they will eventually follow. You guys just have to be patient. At ikaw, my love, you have to be consistent in making an effort to communicate on both sides. Kasi they are all going through this because they love you. So instead of feeling sorry for yourself, you have to prevent yourself from being self-absorbed and self-centered na sasabihin nga, naku, ako'y naiipit sa gitna, nasa-stress ako sa inyo. Kasi tandaan mo, again, my love, they have a choice not to do this, but they are doing it for you. Naintindihan mo ko? So, patience is the key, my love. Kung gusto mong mag-last tong relationship na to, you have to love them by being patient sa situation nyong lahat. Klaro? Klaro.